アで揃えた商品を自分のブランド名で売っているっていう夢のような世界にいますね。で
concern is to create the market at the very initial stage. You cannot have many players, because when you have many players, you cannot achieve the economies of scale, you cannot make the necessary investment to create a network that is going to attract enough volumes. It really depends what is your stage. There is no one-size-fits-all solution.
Besides Argentina, as an example.
In Argentina, they have many facts in the country. This didn't help to develop the main volumes. And once they introduced higher requirements to get a license to become an operator, lots of operators couldn't operate anymore. This has helped a lot to stabilize and even develop the postal market in Argentina.
In China, as the online shopping business booms, its postal market, express delivery sector in particular, is soaring. Latest statistics from China's State Post Bureau show the country's daily express.
人気投票でファンの数を増やさないと自分の明日がないっていうようなところがありますので、そういった意味で本当に一人一人がファンサービスに力を注いでいるっていうところで、自分が明日ステップアップするために自分でファンを掴んでいくっていう、そうですね、売り手買い手を掴んでいくっていう、そういったところで